What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Eye Candy. So in this week's video, I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance in the shop, work on getting this paint booth together, and that's gonna be the main goal. So a little different from normal videos, but I figured I'd bring you guys along anyways. So jumping into this booth, I ended up getting the lights put in and the filters, and then I also got the exhaust all cleaned up. The exhaust ducting was just covered with overspray. So I scraped all that overspray off, I cleaned the fan top and bottom, and got that all looking good. And I ended up getting the exhaust stacked up on the side of the building. However, I think I am going to put one more section in there so it's just a little bit taller. But for now, it is functional. I also finally got my new exhaust fan motor. I'm still waiting on the starter box for that, which will come in next week. And so basically the lights are just waiting to be wired into the electrical box, and same with the exhaust fan and switch. So once that comes in next week, hopefully I'll have the time to get that put in and have a somewhat operational paint booth. Thank you so much for watching. So there is obviously a ton more work left to do. The booth needs recoated completely, sanded down, recoated, and also every seam needs caulked. There's still a little bit of welding I'd like to do on the floor, but it's getting really close, guys. So again, thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one.